Hello everyone. Happy Wednesday. Today we are going to be doing some scratch offs and sticker challenges and some roll and saves in my, I guess this is like my second debt binder because all of these are going towards debt, and my other binder, I can't talk right now. I am having trouble with elocution. But in my other binder as well that I do on Sundays, that is all going towards debt. So I am so excited to get rid of debt, guys, so that all of this can go towards fun stuff, you know, like travel and clothes and stuff for my house. But it's going to be a while because I have so much debt, guys. School debt, I have my car payment, but you know, we're making progress, so it's all good. I have $93 here, and all of these come from, I budget, oh my gosh, look at this, guys, $15. That's the lowest amount we've had in 6 weeks. Thank you. So I forgot what I was saying. What was I talking about? Debt and making progress on debt. But anyways, we are making progress. I was able to pay off one of my credit cards, as I've mentioned. So that felt amazing. And now I'm working on my car repayment. So at the end of the month, I will take all this money and put it towards that. So we have 50, 70, 80, 95, 6, 7 in here. Oh, I was saying where my money came from. So I budget $100 every week to go specifically towards debt. And then I also have like some side hustles. So the rest of that came from my side hustles. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how's y'all's Wednesday going? I hope y'all are having a great week and a great day. We're halfway through the week now, and so if you are working, I hope, you know, that encourages you to keep going. All right, so we have $10 in this one now. This is from Vicky Thinks. And it says, into the rainbow I go to lose my mind and find my soul, with these two cute little unicorns. So you can grab that from Vicky's Ko-fi. Next we have this Blackjack by Save with Judy. So we're going to roll to see which one we're scratching. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's pretty good. And then the dealer is going to scratch number 1. Ah, so we beat the dealer, guys. Woohoo. And we got face cards are 10. Okay, so we're saving $10 with this. Let me see if I have 20, 30, 35. Okay, so I can put this back and get this 20 in here. So we have 2, 4, 45, 46, 47. $47. Save with Judy. All right. Moving on, we have this Winnie the Pooh challenge by What's Poppin' Sunshine. So we're gonna roll and see where we're going. 1, 2, 3. All right, $9. I'm doing some self-care while I film this, guys. I have some eye patches on right now. I feel like I'm really like the worst person with skincare. I can't be bothered half the time to do it. So it's nice when I have a break. I try to focus on that. All right, so I'm gonna grab this one and swap it out with this 10. So we have 15 in here now. Awesome. All right. Next, we have this sticker challenge, which was blowing my mind last week. I thought I was going insane. So thank you to everyone who commented saying like you couldn't figure it out either, because you know what? I think I just figured it out. I think it's this. I was thinking that these were fries, but this is pasta. Pasta and cheese. I think that's what goes right here, guys. But so many of you said like you couldn't figure it out either. So thank you for that, because you made me feel like I was a little less insane. But I think that's what it is. Someone did say they think it's the one with the cheese, but they didn't know what the other thing was. So, okay. So 3, 1, 2, 3, M and K. Mayonnaise and ketchup. See, like, I was like, why is this so difficult? But I was thinking those little things were fries, not pasta. Okay, so mayonnaise. Oh, I just forgot what we're saving. I think $6, right? Yeah, $6. Okay, so mayonnaise and ketchup, $6. This is by Plan and Paper Designs. I don't think they have a YouTube channel, but they do have an Etsy store, so you can go check it out. All right, so we have, let's actually swap these 2 5s out for a 10. All right, so we have 20, 30, 1 saved with this challenge. All right. Next we have this one by Craftco Budgets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I got this, I downloaded this from her Ko-fi, and I just added the scratch off stickers myself. And it came with a couple different challenges. So there's this one that we'll do next. But for now we're saving $5. So let me grab this 5. Actually, yeah, so $5. We're gonna put those 2 back and we're gonna grab a 10. And so we have $12 total now with this challenge. Okay, next we have this one. This is by me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I made these for Valentine's Day, and I'm just gonna use them, at least this one, I'm gonna use it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'll be opening my Etsy store again soon, but I'm not gonna have these challenges in them, but I do have some other challenges that I'm working on. Some scratch off ones that are cute, with like little cats, and they're kind of like sarcastic cats. So hopefully I'll be able to do that this week. That's the plan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, this one is by N Valentine Designs, excuse me. And she has an Etsy store. I didn't see a YouTube channel for her, so correct me if I'm wrong, but maybe she does have a YouTube channel. I can't remember right now. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're gonna take this and grab a 10 from our like exchange pile over here. So we have 10, 11, 12, 13 saved with this scratch off. All right, next we have this Happy Valentine's Day by Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. And one is $3. Okay. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. So we're gonna swap this out for a 10. So we have $10 now. All right, next we have this Valentine's Day one by April's Fresh Start. Little conversation hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $2. Okay. So for this challenge, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do I have another 5 over here? Yes, I do. And I'm just condensing as I go, guys, because I spend so much time. If I don't do it as I go, I just end up spending so much time like doing it all at once off camera. So it's just easier to do it as I go. Okay. Next, we have this cute little thank you for 400 subscribers by Vicky Thinks. Oops. Let me roll that again. 2, 1, 2. So we're saving $5 this week. This was a while ago that she hit this mark. She's over 500 now, so yay. But I just liked this little cat. I thought it was so cute. So $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Probably going to need to make change with this 20 that I have right here. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right. All right, next up we have this Easter challenge. This was one that I created to do like a little giveaway for hitting 500 subscribers, and several people won a copy of this with their name on it. So I made one like with my name to like demo it and make sure it was working. So we're gonna use this one. All right, $4. Oh, perfect. All right, next I have this scratch off. This was also in my Etsy store. So let me make change real fast here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so we have a 2 scratched off already. Let's see what else we can scratch. 1, 2, 3. So this one will be in my Etsy store. When I reopen it, I am gonna keep this one up there because it's not like seasonal or anything. I don't have to really change it out. All right, so we have $4 in this one. This saves 25. All right, I'm gonna skip wasabi because I don't have my Lucky Charm with me this week, and I really want to wait until she's with me because she really helps me get those wasabis. Okay, let's see if there's any challenges that we are close to finishing. I don't think there really is. Let's see, I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. All right, I don't want to risk doing this one and having an IOU. Let's see, maybe let's do this one. Maybe let's try for this one because we could finish this one, I guess. All right. Okay, so if we win that one, that's going to be 10. 1, 2. Because face cards are 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, let's go again. 2, 1, 2, 4. And the dealer is gonna get 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. So we won that one as well. So we're saving the amount on our card, which is $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have $2 left, guys. Should we risk it? I kind of just want to see what it is, and I don't know why I rolled because it's literally just... Okay, so that would be $10. Ah, okay. All right, so we have $2 here. We need $8 more. I'm just gonna grab it from here so that we don't have an IOU. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So let me condense this and figure out what we saved with this one. Oh my gosh, so messy. All right, so we have 40, 5, 10, 15, 20. Okay. I didn't have another 10 back there, so we saved 20, 40, 60, 65, 70. $70 with this blackjack game. So I'm just gonna write that this is going towards debt. We have $70 and we finished it on the 18th. All right, yay, and that's a challenge done. Okay, woo. And we had to steal some money from money that was supposed to be going back to the bank, but that's okay. It was just $8, we can spare that. Okay, so that is it for this video, guys. I feel like that went really fast, but we were able to finish one challenge. We made some progress on some other challenges. So thanks for hanging out with me. I so appreciate you guys. If you made it to the end of this video, put a strawberry in the comments so that I know you stuck with me. And thank you so much for spending your time with me. I think I already said that, but thank you so much for sticking with me to the end. I appreciate you all so much, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.